Hello, viewers. Wow Talk, welcome all the viewers on the platform of Wow Talk, Wow India. So, before I start with the program, because it is the inaugural session of Wow Talk, I would like to invite Shuchita ji, who is the CEO project for Be the Change, that of course she will give her blessing for the programs and the other programs also. So, Shuchita Mamji, it is your turn now.
Yeah, thank you, Neeraj. And first of all, a very warm good evening to all and one present over here, as well as our viewers all over through Facebook. Today is the inaugural of our first talk show, that is WOW. And I must congratulate Neeruji for this, and I welcome Ruby ji as she is our first uh, guest of this talk show. I just want to tell that what is Be the Change? Be the Change is an initiative by SL Enterprise, and through Be the Change, we want that we should inculcate, rather, we should spread the moral values amongst all the people in the society in India, as well as we will be moving to abroad also. So it is my, and through under the platform of this Visa Change, we have started many talk shows on various aspects. This WOW talk show is Women of Wings, means here we will be talking about the women who have achieved something. So now it is over to Neeruji. Neeruji will be the host of today's show.
Thank you, Shuchita Madam, for inspiring us and for give us blessings, no? Because blessings are abundance in nature. So thank you. So we move on with the program, right? So what, because it is the women's show, Wow Talk with women. Why, I mean, that we start this program with women of nation and even worldwide, because women need recognition for important things. What important things we talk about when we speak for women? Strength, passion, and the effort by women in the world. Genuinely speaking, women only wish to have genuine praises by one and all. Genuine praises. Strong women are inspired by strong women. So today we are proud to be the part of this mega event. I must say it is going to be a life-changing event for all women of India, because this is the sole motive, women of the nation and globally, if you're listening to me, that these programs will give you the strength and passion that how to overcome hurdle, and if you have setback in your life, how to handle those failures to become the successful person in the world. So to inspire all women, today we do have with us, let me introduce to you Mrs. Ruby Bakshi Khurdi. What to say about Ruby Ji? She is an educationist on a mission. She wants to create a society, an army of humanitarian. I have read a lot about Ruby on Facebook, otherwise else also. I would like to share the few achievements of what she has done so far and what she is actually being indulged with. She's an inspirational speaker, TEDx speaker, highly acclaimed international trainer, appointed as president, India Switzerland Business Council for WICCI, chairperson of All Ladies League. She is ambassador, female wave of change, powerful speaker whenever it comes to emotional intelligence and women empowerment. So Ruby Bakshi Khurdi is the lady, is the woman who speak a lot, even at length, and leave impact on society, which is indelible mark. So if I speak about her awards, my God, that are also endless. But yes, I would like to quote a few before I start with the questioning with her, that how her journey remained before reaching to top of the world. Bhavishya Ke Shilpakar 2020, Hall of the Fame 2019, London, finalist in Women in Business category, Women Achiever Award, UK, She has been nominated as Most Inspirational Female Entrepreneur of 2017 by Swiss Entrepreneur magazine. Yeah, she is founder of Indo-Swiss Cultural Network, and I'm so happy that she is doing a great job inculcating Indian values in foreign land. She's there in Switzerland, and she's inculcating moral values, ethical practices, the cultural heritage of India that is there by Cultural Network. She's tirelessly leading and helping women from all denominations, from all diverse backgrounds globally. She actively involves in the webinars, seminars, other platforms for inspiring, because as I told you, she wants to create an army of humanitarian. Featured many times on various magazines when we speak about entrepreneurship, when we speak about business magazine. She is always there, and at present she's the founder, Ray Academy Swiss. My God, Ruby Bakshi Khurdi. It is only the few I spoke here. Really, I always enjoy whenever I just talk about any women, because woman is the that is the mother. No, woman is the mother, right? Mm-hmm. So I think it is the time we need to spread womanhood globally by this program. And Wow Talk India took initiative to honor the women and to share their story and their journey from scratch to success with other women for inspiration. So Ruby ji, how are you feeling? My first question, because it is the inaugural session of Wow Talk. So my first question, how are you feeling coming on platform of inaugural session of Wow Talk India?
First of all, namaskar everyone. I'm really honored, Kshitija ji as well as Neeru ji for inviting me here. I'm going to call you Shuchi because it's more easy for me. For giving me this amazing platform. It's really a wonderful platform for recognizing women, for showing what they have done, like you said, scratch to success kind of stories to inspire. Because if we can do it, anyone can do it. So it's a very good platform, and I'm very honored and humbled to be here and sharing my story with all of you. Thank you so much.
So wonderful. Ruby ji, we have heard about this, and you mentioned somewhere that your parents are your role model, because parents are role model for every child when we speak about, right? Because parents give us actually the motivation whenever we fall. So it is only the mother or father who just hold our finger and allow us to stand and face the world. And they also train us to face the challenges and to overcome those obstacles in life. But when we speak about Ruby Bakshi, so Ruby, I would like to know from you, because you said that you learned even the success and failure from the life journey of your parents. So I would like to know from you, Ruby, that how your parents influence you to become where Ruby is at the moment.
Whatever I'm today, I owe it to my parents, because they said you shouldn't be proud about anything. Keep on working. Like there's a saying in Gita, "Fal kiye ja, kaam kiye ja, fal ki chinta mat kar." So my mother was very careful, even though she was, she was a working woman. She was assistant general manager in Food Corporation of India, which has offices all over India. And she could have been transferred and going up and up in the ladder, from a very young age. But she chose her family. She chose me and my sister because we were young girls, very small kids. So she chose us. So she did not take those transfers or promotions. And my parents decided that we will be stationed in one place until, the girls are on their own and they can go further. So my parents would always inculcate very rich Indian values and teach us not to be always overthinking or not to be going overboard. These are your means and you should be doing things within those means. And coming from a very good family and very strong family, my parents always made sure that they inculcate the values of, making us understand the value of money. One is the values, that is the cultural values. The other is the value of money. Even though we are coming from a very I would say, safe background, very culturally strong background. But at the same time, my parents would always make sure that, we are doing things or understanding things within the means. So even though both my parents, my father was in pharmaceutical company working as zonal sales manager, so he was traveling all the time. All the time he was on tours. Hardly, I would say, 15 to 20 days he was away. But my mom, being she did not know how to drive, but she would take us everywhere in the rickshaw, because at that time she preferred that's more safe rather any other way of transport.
You also enjoyed rickshaw in childhood and even at the young time also.
True.
Yes.
So they would make sure, whatever they were doing, because my mother lost her father at a very young age. So she was a very strong woman who would fight against all odds. And that she gave us to me as well as my sister, that whatever situation it is, don't be scared. You have to fight back. You have to come out of it. And, at those times, when we would go in rickshaw or sometimes coming in the evening, sometimes people were not very nice. There was a lot of eve teasing at that time in the rickshaw because my father, as I said, my father was traveling. So my parents, they wanted us to be very they were very protective about us, but at the same time, they wanted to push us so that we are strong. And that's why I say, I learned a lot from my parents because they were constantly pushing us to give our best. They always said, keep on educating yourself. That's very important. They never compromised on education. They were always there for all our, parent-teacher meetings, whatever programs, whatever sessions we had. And even though, they were having all these kinds of lot of meetings or lot of busy schedules, but they made sure that they had ample time for us. So whenever my dad was here, in the city, we made sure that we are having our dinner meetings. We would sit on the dinner table and discuss anything and everything. And even at a young age, my parents would tell us the financial things, so that we know how we are doing, how we are going forward. And that's why I say, I learned a lot from both because they kept on giving us and at the same time protecting us. Whenever the need of protection was there, the need of, be the mother hen kind of a thing, my mom was there. But when it was time to push, because I was so scared to travel in the tempo or travel in the public transport, she would say, it's fine, nothing is going to happen. So she would push and at the same time take us back. So these are the things where from the ups and downs where both my parents lost their one parent at an early age, but they said that it's fine. We came back, we strike back. So you should also be going on and on.
It is very important, Ruby ji, as you said that, it was your mother and father when the emotional connect was there. So your mother was there, but when it was there to push you ahead in your life, so your father was there. So this combination is very, very important when we talk about success of a woman, not only of a woman, when we see boy on the topmost position in the world. So that individual become the successful when they do have a proper parenting also, being the form of the mother or the father. But yes, I would say, I conclude from that whatever you delivered here, that yes, the emotional connect with mother is very important when we talk about success in life, because she's always there, who always guide us that yes, it is good or it is bad. And there's so many things, Ruby ji, we cannot discuss with the father. As a girl particularly, we used to just talk to mother because we know that yes, she can understand her and can advise her better in a genuine way, of course, because we know that certain things we cannot speak with father. So wonderful, Ruby ji, right? So, Bachcha Ruby, childhood wala Ruby, emotional connect with mother, push by father, वो Ruby बड़ी हुई और Ruby बन गई principal India में, right?
Yes.
Ruby ने अपना career start किया as a principal in India. And you were renowned principal. You had a lot of connects and all. You were working on connectivism to constructivism. And even you have started working on these kind of this addressing, public speaking and other things. You were good at, right, from your youth time. So, but when you had successful career in India as a principal in education sector, what made you to leave Indian soil and move to Switzerland? my viewers now would like to know from Ruby, what made you, when you were enjoying your success in India, why did you go to Switzerland?
It's marriage.
So, my God, you leave your, that the career here, professional sound career here. So, we would like to listen to you.
Exactly. I'll just tell you, like, it was hardly not even a year that I was a principal of a college, which is a very, very successful college now. It's called Loyola International in Lucknow. And I was the youngest principal. I was very young at that time. I was really, I would think I was like 22 years old. And I became like an overnight celebrity at that time because everyone was very happy that she's so young. And I was changing so many things in my school. I was a fresh graduate from Jaipuria Institute of Management. Everyone was like, what can she do? She's just out of college. She's just done her MBA. What can she do? But during those 11 months, I did a lot of changes in that college, in that school. And it was an all-girls school. So everyone was like, I was always being watched. There were a lot of, those teachers who were much older than me, who would have become the principal. They were always watching, like, what can she do? How can she do? Those kind of things. But after a period of time, it took me like around 5 to 6 months to create my space because the principal, the head of the school, he believed in me. So it was a very good journey. I enjoyed it. But in that span of time, I got this very good, I would say, alliance from one of the, people, my husband's parents. And my parents could not refuse because it was a very good, match. And of course, we are Kashmiri Pandits. So in our, we have to match the horoscopes. You don't just get married just by seeing people. True. So it was very quick. In 3 months, it was decided and I got married. For my parents, it was very difficult, even for me, to leave everything and move to Switzerland because I did not think, it will be like going to Switzerland for that period of time. But as it is, like as we say, जब यहाँ लिखा होता है तो कुछ चेंज नहीं हो सकता.
सही बात है.
My mama was looking for people who are based in India because we were 2 girls and they didn't want any of us to be going. They are very like strong patriotic family. I know. So they were looking for people or guys who are based in India. And उस वक्त मेरे husband was working in Infosys and he was on a project here in Switzerland. Right. So the parents said he's going to come back because he's just वो बाहर नहीं रहने वाले हैं. आप बेफिक्र होके अपनी बेटी की शादी कर सकती हैं. आपकी बेटी यही इंडिया में. So I get married and I left everything because अगर आपकी शादी हो रही है, आप एक नई शुरुआत कर रहे हो, तो आपको हर चीज उसी तरीके से लेना है. You can't be bounded with my job, my thing. So since I was starting a new life and it was for a period of time that I had to come to Switzerland, I left everything and I moved with my husband here at that point of time. And I was very happy. I was very, very happy. Thoda sa dil mein tha ki, I am leaving everything and maybe I will not have this career again because, if you are up there, you are the principal at such a young age, you may or may not get it again. And I moved here and I come here in this country where actually I had to start from scratch. All I had the paper that I was a principal of a college. That's it, with not even 1 year experience, less than a year experience. So yes, it was not easy, but I would say that jahan cha wahan ra. I could not sit at home, because we need to have a paper to work over here, a work permit to work here. But since we were here for a period of time, because my husband was an expatriate here. So I wouldn't be working here without a paper. So what I did is that, koi nahi, I will do something because I wanted to do something. So I started teaching Indian dance in a social organization. I did not charge any money, but just to be in touch with our Indian roots. I said, chalo kuch to karna hai, and I started teaching that. And I would say within 7 months, I got a job over here in a school, for teaching business. I wasn't sure at that point of time because we were just here for 18 months. So I wasn't sure, should I take it or not take it? But, I was like, okay, it's fine. It's education and I'm teaching something. And my parents were very happy. कि देखो तुम्हें पढ़ाना ही लिखा है. You are destined to teach. So you are teaching. And I accepted that. Again, it was in a girls' college. It's a very, very renowned college here in Switzerland. So I started teaching there in that college, and it was really a very good experience. And I would say within 3 months, as it is there as well, I made a couple of changes. I made some small changes here and there, the way they were running the school, the way they were doing the things. And being like, like हम Indians का ये होता है, हम जहाँ जाते हैं हम प्यार ढूंढते हैं और प्यार से connect होते हैं. So there, everyone was doing their things. And what I did was I started making everyone work together as a team. So I started recognizing in those teachers कौन किसका expert है, So I said, you're an expert in this, you do this. I'm an expert in this, I'll do this. So they started liking the idea. And I would say within less than a year again, I was appointed as the academic dean of that college. So again,
अब मैं इसी क्वेश्चन पे आती हूँ आपके स्टोरी के. ठीक है, रूबी बड़ी हुई, रूबी ने एज अ प्रिंसिपल भी काम किया और एक अपना बहुत अच्छा कैरियर रूबी ने छोड़ा. क्यों? क्योंकि मम्मी पापा, यहाँ भी बात आती है रूबी संस्कारों की, राइट? कि संस्कार जो इंडियन हमारा कल्चर है, जो संस्कार हमें हमारे माता पिता देते हैं. अभी आपने एक वर्ड यूज किया था कि जो मम्मी पापा ने बोला कि नहीं आप करो, बहुत अच्छा मैच है, तो हम इस चीज पे बहुत बिलीव करते हैं क्योंकि हमारे मम्मी पापा हमारे लिए कुछ गलत डिसीजन नहीं लेते हैं. और उसी चीज को, यानी आप एक ओबीडियंट डॉटर भी रही हैं. यहाँ से मैं हर एक चीज को कनेक्ट कर रही हूँ. ठीक है, ओबीडियंट डॉटर. अब फिर आते हैं एक लविंग वाइफ की भी हम बात करते हैं. लविंग वाइफ मैंने वर्ड इसलिए यूज किया रूबी क्योंकि आपने यहाँ पर अपने करियर को छोड़ दिया. You told me that you were there in Switzerland with only your experience, that yes, you worked as a principal, you have those documents, that's it, right? True. And even there was no one to help you out, of course, in Switzerland, because it was entirely a new land to you. No acquaintance, no, I know that the honest people never go with the approaches and all, right? So, then you started, as you said, the dance classes, the Indian culture. The most important in your life story, Ruby ji, which admired, I think, the all Indian women and even the globally also, that even sitting over there, you started your journey by inculcating Indian culture via in terms of dance.
Exactly.
Right. Coming to the next point, which is related to it, that you attended cultural groups.
Yeah.
When I was just reading about you, I just, pick up one more important point, that you attended cultural groups of international group of students. You went with them in Turkey, Amsterdam, France, UK, and Switzerland as well. You just attended all cultural events with them also. And then you were the one who, I think, started Beamer in your classroom when you were there in your business teaching industry, if I'm not wrong. Yes or no?
Yes.
You were the one. Because if I'm not wrong, that time Beamer were used in the special seminars and conferences. Yes. But it was only Ruby who just thought, no, I have to bring revolution in the teaching in Switzerland as well. And I'm very happy where the existing teachers, maybe who were working there for past 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, a fresh girl, I must say, coming from Indian soil, joined here as a teacher, and even the revolutionary step taken by her. Can you share with us your experience, that what kind of reaction you received from the colleague in that institute?
On that note, I would first like to say, just jo aapne bhi bataya about my parents, like a dutiful daughter, because my parents, when I was leaving India, that was one thing my mother said, ab tumhari shaadi ho gayi hai, you have to see your life on your own terms. It's in your hands to make or break. So be very careful, because you're going far, far away from me. It's in your hands. So I just had those words, all the time resonating when I was leaving the country. कि अब जो है वो मुझे देखना है, जो है वो मुझे करना है. So with those marks or with those words always resonating and always going on in the backdrop, I come here. And when I came here, it was, as I said, it was not easy, because I hardly knew my husband. Because आपने कहा ना, loving wife, but I hardly knew the love of my life, because we had not really met before. Maybe we had met 3 or 4 times before marriage. So I did not know him so well, though we met before, but I did not know so well that I could say that I know him. So it was not easy, but in terms of being a very understanding husband, that helped me, because the only thing that I kept on going in my mind was I have to lead and behave like a good person. I have to understand, I have to compromise, I have to cooperate, I have to learn, but not give up. So I was really fortunate. I would say I was blessed. ये मम्मी पापा का आशीर्वाद था, क्योंकि मैंने हमेशा अपने मम्मी पापा की बात सुनी. जैसे लोग कहते हैं भगवान वहां है. I say for me, my parents are my Bhagwan. They created me. So they are my Bhagwan. So whatever they say, aaj tak, I believe and I follow all their instructions. They are God for me, and they will always be God for me. And I think this is what my husband also saw. She left everything. इसने सब कुछ छोड़ दिया और ये मेरे साथ यहाँ पे आ गई. And he knew what I was, what I was doing at that point of time. So I guess it was the very strong support of my husband that made me what I am. Because as I said, my parents were very protective about me. But my husband, he gave me that push, that strong push that you were protected, because India mein girls are protected, it's a different scenario. Yahan you're in Europe, you have to become independent. So he pushed me. And of course, with the things, my information, my education, I wanted to make a difference. So that's why in the school, when I introduced the Beamers, when I introduced the team things or team thing, cultural. It was taken very willingly. There also, again, there's a second person who needs a mention here. The person who owned that school where I started as academic dean. Now he's no more. But he also believed in me. He also believed in me because I was a very young lecturer at that time. But because of the changes that I did, he said, are you ready to take it further if I give you this responsibility? So at that point of time, I was not really ready. I thought, dean, I don't think I'm qualified. I was not even a doctorate then. So I was like, I don't think I should be up there. But he said, no, I think you are. You can lead. And if you need support, we are there to support you. So I think in life, we have to have some support groups. चाहे वो husband हो, चाहे वो आपके parents हो, चाहे वो आपके co-workers हो, या आपकी दोस्तें हो, कोई भी. Especially in the beginning when you're not sure. I was not sure. I was in a new country, new culture. Language भी नहीं आती थी यहाँ तो. French, जहाँ पे मैं रहती हूँ, वहाँ पे language French है. So I didn't even know the language. But I did find these people who were very, very strong, and they really inculcated very strong support system, True. मुझे थोड़ा motivation मिला, थोड़ा encouragement मिला कि शायद मैं कर सकती हूँ. Because at that time I was not even sure कि क्या मैं कर सकती हूँ. Am I capable? Because that was like a question mark which I posed to myself. क्योंकि मैं sure नहीं थी, but वो लोग sure थे.
My God.
So that is something which people need to understand कि कभी-कभी आप sure नहीं हो सकते हो because you don't know. But if you have a very good group, or if you have a very strong, like-minded people with you, and you have their support, you can definitely do wonders.
So I think, Ruby, today's talk show is not only, I must say, benefited for the women, but I think it is benefited for the youth also, because you are encouraging them to be dutiful children. Because if children, they are going to obey their parents, they would give their ear to them that yes, what they need to do, because this is what happening, that these days we are observing the detachment between the parent and children. So the kind of, I think if the youth is listening to you, be it boy or girl, see, so this session is also inspirational to them. So Shuchita ji, आप देख रहे हैं रूबी जी इतना अच्छा, अगर हम बात करें as a daughter, as a wife, or as she's a good human being, God-fearing lady, So मजा आ रहा है बात करने में, कुछ सीखने को मिल रहा है, कुछ लोगों को सिखाने में मिल रहा है. Right?
I'm just listening and I'm really inspired by the journey of Ruby.
My God, ma'am, सारी चीजें thoughts, Ruby ji thoughts से आती हैं. मतलब Shuchita ma'am, I just wish now you just connect with her.
Niru ji, I just want to tell you what I have heard about by Ruby ji. I was just saying that she was saying that teaching was my destiny. So from there, I just wanted to ask one question, Ruby ji. Can you just tell me, like nowadays, we believe, being principals, we believe that the person who never gets any job anywhere, they come and join teaching profession. But if, in my point of view, teaching is a basic profession which leads to all the professions. So what are your views about this thing? Should our youth, they should go for teaching profession further, or they should go for teaching profession just like by chance?
No, first of all, it's a myth. अगर कुछ नहीं मिले तो teaching कर लो या teacher बन जाओ. It's a myth. It's not like that. If you want to take this profession, it's a very noble profession. Just as a doctor, जैसे doctor लोगों को बचाता है, teacher लोगों को educate करता है, उनको guide करता है. So it's very important. Only if you have the patience and only if you are having the passion to lead people, to guide people, to mentor people, then you should go for teaching. Teaching हर एक के बस की बात नहीं है, because it requires a lot of patience, it requires a lot of value addition to yourself. ये नहीं कि आपने जो 10 साल पहले किया बस वहीं पढ़ाते जा रहे हो. Today's generation needs updation. You need to update your skills. And at the same time, आपकी class में maybe there are some kids who are very good and some kids who are not very good. Some kids are naughty, some kids are slow. So as a teacher, you have to be even with everyone. So teaching हर एक के बस की बात नहीं है. जो लोग teaching को लेना चाहते हैं या as a profession follow करना चाहते हैं, please make sure you should be passionate about giving. You should be passionate about connecting people, because even in teaching, you need to connect. You need to see पूरी class को लेके आप चल रहे हो साथ में. Like I would say, I can proudly say that's one of the reasons here in Switzerland, I'm a very, very successful and popular teacher. I can say that on media openly. Because I'm very proud of my students, and I always have 100% attendance in my classes.
Very good.
Because for a reason, not that कि मैं बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाती हूँ, मेरे से बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाने वाले लोग हैं, मेरे से बहुत अच्छे काबिल लोग हैं, but the reason why they are there is because I make sure they are all there mentally and physically. Because यहाँ पर सारी पढ़ाई जो है is on iPads. Everything is on Moodle, everything is on these virtual platforms. So I make sure कि वो क्लास में खाली ऐसे नहीं कर रहे हैं, वो मेरे साथ क्लास में actually हैं, both mentally and physically.
Bonding is required, na? Bonding
exactly.
between the student and the teacher, both is required.
Very true. So if you're taking that as a career, you have to be having that bonding, a very strong bonding.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. One more question I just want to ask you, as I was listening you, that you are born and brought up in India. You are a pure Indian. And you said ki it was that by chance, as you are very obedient to your parents, and it must be also, and you are settled in Switzerland. Now, after staying in Switzerland, now what are your views and what is your message for our youth? That because every third day we see that we want to go abroad. We want to go abroad because people have this thing in motion that if we'll go abroad, we'll earn money. Now, what message you will tell? Because see, our Prime Minister is always saying, make in India. We are after this thing, right? Why our youth should go out? Whether they should go out or not, for some time or for permanent. I want your message for all youth.
Okay, that's a very, very good question and a very, very strong one also. It's true. When I came here, I did not know that I'm going to be settled here. क्योंकि हम काफी कम time के लिए आए थे, बहुत थोड़े period के लिए आए थे. But it is, as we say, if it is destined, it will happen no matter what you will do.
Yeah, obviously.
So we have been here and we took the decision to stay here because of my children, because they are born and brought up here. And the teachers, the director of the school, as well as the teachers, they advised us, if you are settling here, if you're staying here, you need to make sure that, your kids understand the local language very well. So we took the decision of staying here. But see, every person is different. The message to youth is, you should only go abroad if you think you need to learn something from there. If you need to get something, some new information, some new technology, which is not there in your country, then you should go abroad, try to get that, and then bring it to your country so that you can impart or you can share that information and use it for the betterment. But again, it's your personal choice. Every person is different. Some people like to stay and some people like to support. So I think it's a choice that our youth or our millennials need to see how they can support and how they can imbibe those things wherever they are, be it any part of the world. But the Indianness or the cultural thing should not go. Even though I'm settled here in Switzerland, but as Niriji told you that I have this Indo-Swiss cultural network. So
Yeah.
दोनों countries का जो भी अच्छा चीज होता है, whether it's in India or in Switzerland, I try to highlight. I try to share the message of our Prime Minister Modi ji here as well. Whenever he's doing any live, I share it on my network. So I make sure, and it's the same, when we are doing something here in Switzerland, I share on the network. So the message to youth is, wherever you are, make sure you do the best for yourself. You need to believe in yourself first, and then make a decision what is for you the good choice. Don't listen to what people are saying or what society is saying. Yeah,
I know,
Yeah,
because there are
obviously.
various the moment in the life when people look for reasons and excuses
Yeah.
to run down the image of a woman. We
True.
have seen,
True.
when it comes to, when we speak about other the stars in the nation, right? The sports star, even when we speak about Mithali Raj, that is
Yeah.
in cricket, when we speak about Sania Nehwal, when we speak about the Geeta Fogart or Sakshi Malik, right?
True,
When we
true.
speak about Mary Kom in boxing, Rani Rampal in hockey, right? Tanya in chess. So we do have a endless list of, even Deepika, if we speak about. Deepika is doing wonderful in squash, right? So we do have, and these all the sports stars somewhere and somehow the other, even the star, because sometimes the male, they keep reservation for themselves, right? So is any moment where Ruby felt the hard time? When Ruby felt the hard time, did you find the hard time when, yes, you were also, your success was measured that she's a female? So we would like to know from you, Ruby.
Of course, I don't think there's any woman who never faced glass ceiling. I'm sure even you guys face glass ceiling somewhere or the other. You had
True,
to work
true.
double, triple to prove मैं हूँ, मैं exist करती हूँ.
True.
मैं भी कुछ हूँ.
Okay.
So I think every woman who's watching here, she will definitely resonate with me when I say we all face the glass ceiling because we are always watched. हम कैसे कर रहे हैं, हम क्या कर रहे
Sometimes
हैं.
we have to double the work, then the
Exactly.
male members to fix our slot that yes, we are
True.
capable of. And still
Exactly.
we are in the gender biased community. Sometimes it happens that we have to
Very
prove
true.
ourselves. We work double. I have seen many women that they want to prove themselves. They work double, triple time.
True.
That yes, this we are capable of.
Exactly,
So-
exactly. And also because, we as women, we need to manage the home. We need to manage the children. And at the same time, if you're a professional, you need to manage your career as well. But my message to women is, I have been through, but first I would like to give the message that my message is, you don't have to be perfect in everything. जो आप कर रहे हो, उसे बस अच्छी तरह से करो. You don't have to be सर्वगुण संपन्न.
संपन्न, सही बात.
आप करो, दिल से करो. Because if you are always thinking, what will he say? What will he say? I have to do this. I have to be a smart mom. I have to be a smart wife,
I know.
good daughter, good sister. Then you will not be able to, because you can't please everyone. और आप जब सबको खुश करने में लगे रहोगे, आपकी खुद की खुशी जो है वो compromise हो जाएगी. So that's why it's important that first you need to be happy within. इसीलिए हर कोई आजकल मेडिटेशन की बात करता है या इनर इंजीनियरिंग की बात करता है, because these days we are always in the rat race to prove something. So my message is, you don't have to prove something to others, prove to yourself, which is important.
So means Ruby ji, we need to give utilization certificate to ourselves. No, we do not need that certificate from other people that give us that is what we have done. So it's
Exactly.
we only. So
Exactly.
wonderful message you have given for the youth from here, because you said happy word, happy women or happy person. यहाँ से एक बात और मुझे याद आती है, meditation आपने word use किया और पुराना ये एक चीज है, एक माँ, mother keep a child for 9 months in womb. And there is a direct influence of sanskara.
Yeah.
Even, it was said, we have heard this from the beginning that, it is very important to keep pregnant women happy.
True. Very true.
Why it is important to keep pregnant women happy and to keep her away from stress and depression? Because it is going to give direct effect to the child in the womb, whether he's a boy or a girl.
Mm-hmm.
Means half of the sanskaras, even the studies also coming now revealing that yes, half of the sanskaras are developed in a child in a womb.
Mm-hmm.
So now my viewers would like to know, right? Because happy women and a child. इस इन्फ्लुएंसर रूबी के पीछे अगर हम एक इन्फ्लुएंसर मम्मी की बात करते हैं, इन्फ्लुएंसर मॉम की बात करते हैं, तो रूबी जी जरा वो बताइए हमें कैसे इन्फ्लुएंसर वुमेन एक इन्फ्लुएंसर मॉम भी है. Yes.
For my kids, I'm just a mom. I never show what I am or what I'm doing outside. So at home, I do everything myself, of course, with my husband. But it was my son. I think it needs a special mention. It was my son who told me that, Mama, you are a celebrity. Mama, you don't have to do this.
Wow.
And I don't know. I don't know how at that age, I think he was like 8.5 or 9 when, he told me that, Mama, you don't have to answer every person who is sending you messages. Whenever I receive messages on my YouTube channel or whenever I receive on Facebook professional page where people are contacting or talking about the free tutorials. So I said, but why? It's not respectful. So he said, no, you can't answer or give message to everyone because you're wasting time. So it was my 9-year-old son who told me about time management. So that's something like, I always, like, as parents, me and my husband, we make sure that our children, they are following both cultures very well. So at home, we make sure that they are following our Indian culture, our rich Indian culture, because as a mother, I won't tell them. So kaun batayega?
Are you doing something extra for inculcating that Indian culture for them? Are you engaging them in other Indian activities?
Absolutely. Even when I would say at a very young age, when my kids were like 3.5, 4, something like that, as Kashmiri Pandits, Shivratri, Mahashivratri is our main festival.
Yes,
just as Diwali. Yeah. So it's our main festival. So as a Kashmiri Pandit, I wanted my kids to have those values, know why we are celebrating Shivratri, why we are celebrating whatever festival, Diwali or Holi. So at a very young age, I started Bal Vikas classes. So I had that information. I had all the books. I had all the information from Bal Vikas, that is in Puttaparthi. And my uncle, there was one very nice gentleman, Gujarati gentleman, Mr. Premji. He told me that I should teach Bal Vikas. I should get certified as a Bal Vikas teacher. So I said, it's not the right time because मेरे खुद के बच्चे छोटे हैं, मुझे उनको time देना है, मैं नहीं कर सकती. But what he did was he gave me the information, he gave me the books, and I started Bal Vikas classes at home. I started with my children. जब भी कोई festival होता है यहाँ पे, I make sure that we celebrate it with our friends, with our other community, Indian community. And we are a group of friends. हर friend एक festival लेती है. कोई रक्षाबंधन करता है, कोई दिवाली करता है, कोई होली करता है.
रूबी ने स्विट्जरलैंड की जमीन पे हिंदुस्तान को जिंदा रखा हुआ है. ये कहना चाहिए. मतलब अमेजिंग रूबी, एक एक करके पन्ने पलट रही हूँ मैं. A lot of things my viewers are coming to know about कि yes रूबी ऐसा ऐसा कर रही. Such things are very important. Therefore क्यों सुचिता मैम, I think ये सेशन इतना इंटरेस्टिंग हो गया है. आप ये देखिए, पर्पस ये था, आप ये देखिए, अभी तक हमने रूबी जी को ये जाना था, ठीक है, सक्सेसफुल एंटरप्रेन्योर, टेडेक्स स्पीकर, राइट, लेकिन सक्सेस के मुकाम पे होने के बाद भी एक औरत के लिए जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है, अगर हम ग्लोबली भी बात करें मैम, तो हिंदुस्तान का कल्चर उन संस्कारों को विदेशों में भी जिंदा रखता है, और इवन विदेशी भी शायद मुझे लगता है कि हमारे कल्चर से इंस्पायर होते हैं. सो दिस इज व्हाट आई मीन आई एडमायर अ लॉट व्हेनेवर आई एम स्पीकिंग टू यू नाउ. अच्छा, एक चीज और है, अगर हम ये सारी चीजों को देखते हैं कि if the woman is pursuing any career, so sometimes if she keep nanny at home to take care of children, so right, if she is leaving the job, so no credit sometimes is given to a female. If she is leaving the wonderful career, no credit is being given to her by relatives, by friends. भाई ठीक है, भाई wife है या मम्मा है तो करना ही है, that's it.
True.
That is not new, that if she is doing that, ये तो उनकी job है, that is the duty. And if she keeps nanny, for example, at home to take care so that she work, then also she is blamed that she is not fulfilling her maternal work traditionally.
Yeah.
So certain things, I think, this patriarchy and this paternalism, I think that is not issue in India. That is also, I think exists and persists globally, right? And the purpose of this show is to, that your story, so that other replicate that yes, if you want to become successful, it is not only that education, aapne padha aur career bana diya and successful ban gaye. No, what you have done as a daughter, as a human being, as a wife, as a mother, then as a effective citizen of the nation, then that person becomes a successful one. So a lot of sacrifices, compromises are needed when we want to make any relation strong. This is what I concluded from your entire story. So I would like to know from you, what do you think women need to get more appreciation for?
I think as a woman, you are on a tightrope all the time. As I said, you are having a lot of responsibilities and you are having a lot of, comparisons all the time, whether it's your mother, whether it's your mother-in-law. In India, it's always a mother-in-law, so you are always being compared with an ideal or as a role model. And I think in my case, I was fortunate. I was the older one, both from my father, from my husband's side and from my side, I was the older one. So from both the sides, both mothers, I would say, my mother-in-law as well as my own mom, they were very happy. They were very, very happy. Whatever I'm doing, however I'm doing, they were always supportive and they were happy with way I was taking care of the things. Because right from the very beginning, as you said, nanny, right from day one, I and my husband made a conscious decision that one of us has to sacrifice the career. One of us has to stay home and work 50%.
Wow.
And I took that decision because I think it's a woman's responsibility to inculcate the values to the children. So I made sure when I was working, my kids are in the Gardari, and when they're coming home, I'm there with them. I never wanted my children to have the values of Italian or a Spanish or Mama du jour, which is from here. And that's the reason, there are very, very few. Hear my children speak Hindi, they speak flawless Hindi. And when you hear them speak French and German, they speak flawless that language as well. So I think women need to be very, very careful in terms of what they are doing and how they are doing, and consistently, because it's एक माँ का ही role है. आप या तो बना सकते हो या बिगाड़ सकते हो.
बिल्कुल, वाओ, अमेजिंग. इतना स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड कमेंट कि माँ का रोल या तो बना दो या बिगाड़ दो. दिस इज व्हाट आई सेड. इवन यू जस्ट सी व्हेन द चाइल्ड इज इन द वोम, वहीं से स्टार्ट हो जाता है रूबी, राइट? और उसके बाद कि आप बच्चे की गलतियों को छुपा रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं. तो एक माँ का रोल तो शुरू से बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रहता है कि आपको बच्चे को शह नहीं देनी है. आपने बच्चे को काउंसिल करना है. बच्चे को बुरा मत बोलो रूबी, लेकिन बच्चे कौन से काम गलत कर रहे हैं उन कामों को गलत बोलो. बच्चे को अप्रिशिएट मत करो. कोई काम अच्छा कर रहा है रूबी, उस काम को अप्रिशिएट करो.
Exactly.
Well said, Ruby.
And also I think because we are outside India, we take it more seriously क्योंकि हम देश से इतना दूर हैं. तो जब भी कोई ऐसा फंक्शन होता है या कोई ऐसा फेस्टिवल होता है, वी मेक श्योर कि जैसे अगर अष्टमी है तो माय मदर विल टेल मी कल अष्टमी है, प्लीज डोंट हैव नॉन वेज. ये फंक्शन आ रहा है, सो अभी नवरात्रे शुरू होने वाले हैं, प्लीज घर को क्लीन करना शुरू कर दो. सो वी फॉलो इट. बट ऑफ कोर्स एक पर्सन के में से नहीं हो सकता. लाइक इफ आई वुड हैव सेड आई वांट टू डू, इट वुडंट हैपन. सो विद द सपोर्ट ऑफ माय हस्बैंड, बिकॉज़ ही इज ऑलवेज देयर टू सपोर्ट. अगर कुछ करना है तो साथ में करेंगे, ये साथ में करेंगे. एंड सीइंग दैट आवर चिल्ड्रन आर आल्सो लर्निंग, व्हाटएवर वी आर डूइंग, दे आर मेकिंग श्योर दैट दे आर inculcating, and in their school as well, whenever we do something, I make sure that I'm giving those prasad in the school or to our neighbors. So it's not just within. पहले मैंने घर से स्टार्ट किया, बाद में अपनी दोस्तों के साथ में, जो मेरी फ्रेंड्स हैं जिनके साथ हम लोग ये फंक्शंस करते रहते हैं, फेस्टिवल्स करते रहते हैं. एंड ऑल्सो मेकिंग श्योर जब भी कुछ होता है तो स्कूल वालों को भी दो, बताओ क्या है. एंड आई वुड जस्ट लाइक टू से समथिंग राइट हियर, इट जस्ट केम टू माई माइंड. अभी रिसेंटली सितंबर में हमारे राष्ट्रपति जी यहाँ आए थे. श्री कोविंद जी हैड कम इन आवर village, I would say, for the inauguration of Mahatma Gandhi's bust, which was done by the Indian Embassy of Switzerland. So जब वो आए, I felt हमारे यहाँ भगवान आ गया.
भगवान, he's so sweet.
There is महात्मा गांधी का बस्ट हमारे घर से मुश्किल से 5 मिनट की दूरी पे है. And when they were putting that, the Indian ambassador said, are so much into Indian culture. Now you have something else. This is Gandhi ji's आप मंदिर कह लो या pilgrimage कह लो,
Mandir,
right
wow,
here.
wow.
You have to take care of it. And you won't believe, I gave that information when I came to know that Govind ji is coming over here. You know, we have to do something for, you know, for our Indian culture, for our Indian community. So I had a talk with the school authorities of my, you know, where my son goes, because the school is here and the Gandhi ji ka bust is right here. It's right in front.
Okay,
As if
fine.
Gandhi ji is watching the school.
Oh,
So even the teachers of the school were so cooperative that they said, we will perform together, because I wanted them to sing something together. So I recorded a song of Gandhi ji, like Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram.
Rajaram.
I recorded in my own voice with the wordings, you know, the lyrics were also there, and I shared with the teacher. I said, can you prepare them? And I got the support of the teacher and well as the authorities, and we all did together. So basically, it's like, agar aap aisi cheezein baatoge, share karoge,
बात है, बिल्कुल.
automatically people will connect. And it's been 2 or 3 functions that we have done together for Mahatma Gandhi ka wo tha, for 150 years of Gandhi ji. We sang over there. We celebrate together with the school authorities. And now even the commune, even the municipality is taking you know, those steps. जब भी कुछ ऐसा होता है, फूल होता है, उसकी खुशबू अपने आप फैल जाती है, राइट? अपने आप फैल जाती है. पर अगर आप उसको कवर करके रखोगे, हाँ इसी की खुशबू ना खराब हो जाए, खराब ना हो जाए, खत्म ना हो जाए, मुरझा जाएगा.
बिल्कुल ट्रू. रूबी जी, यहाँ से एक बात याद आई कि बांटोगे वही जो आपके पास होगा. देखो, आप दोगे तभी जो आपके पास होगा, यानी तो यहाँ पे होगा वही आप दोगे, वही आप करोगे, फिर सारी चीजें वही आ जाती हैं. अपब्रिंगिंग, नर्चरिंग. मैं फिर इसी पॉइंट पे बोलूंगी कि अगर हम बच्चों की अपब्रिंगिंग अच्छा करते हैं, नर्चरिंग अच्छा करते हैं, आप देखिए, आप वहां पे रह के आपने वो जो हिंदुस्तान के कल्चर को जिंदा रखा है. मैं फिर इस लाइन को बार बार इसलिए बोल रही हूँ क्योंकि सारे हिंदुस्तान के व्यूअर्स, मदर्स सब सुन रहे हैं हमें, राइट? तो वो अच्छी नर्चरिंग करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. वैल्यूज, अभी आपने बोला भगवान, आपने कुछ ऐसे ऐसे शब्द बोले, मम्मी पापा भगवान, ठीक है. अभी आपने बोला स्कूल, अभी बोला या महात्मा गांधी की, भाई भगवान कह लो, मंदिर कह लो, you use this word. तो ये सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है कि आप जितना ग्राउंड टू अर्थ रहते हैं, आप जितना ग्राउंड रियलिटी को पहचानते हैं और जितना सादगी के साथ अपने बच्चों को पालते हैं कि ये हमारा देश है, ये हमारे देश के संस्कार हैं, ये हमारे वेद, उपनिषद, पुराण, गीता, महाभारत, रामायण, उनकी अच्छी अच्छी चीजों को भी बताना चाहिए. आप विदेश में बैठे हैं, अच्छी अच्छी चीजों को बताना, ताकि बच्चों को पता हो कि ये हमारे हिंदुस्तान का कल्चर है. लेकिन दोगे वही जो होगा. रूबी, आपके पास अच्छी अच्छी चीजें, इसलिए आप खुद एक फूल है, आप फूल की खुशबू आप फैला रही हैं, ठीक है. तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आपके पास है क्या. You are lovely, pious, peaceful soul. What I conclude now, peaceful, powerful soul, and this is only the reason कि जो भी शायद आपके उसमें आता है, you are giving that vibration to them.
True.
Right?
Yeah.
एक और चीज सामने आती है.
करो.
Yes, नहीं प्लीज.
नीरू जी, मैं एक चीज, सिर्फ मैं रूबी जी की बात सुन रही थी तो मेरे को एक चीज बहुत अच्छी लगी कि जैसे मैंने इनको ये क्वेश्चन पूछा था, क्या हमारे यूथ को बाहर जाना चाहिए या नहीं, उस चीज को मैं आपको रिलेट करूंगी कि सी द थिंग इज, इट इज विद इन अस दैट हाउ वी टेक द थिंग्स. हम बाहर भी जाएं, पढ़ने के लिए भी जाएं, बट ऐसा नहीं है कि हम बाहर जाके कोई छोटा काम करने के लिए, पैसा कमाने के लिए जाएं. कुछ सीखने के लिए जाएं, और वहां जाकर अगर हम अपनी संस्कृति को जागृत रखें, क्योंकि भारतीय संस्कृति सबसे बड़ी संस्कृति है, और अगर हम उस चीज को उजागर रखें, उसको जागृत रखें, तो इट इज नथिंग इज बेटर देन दैट. एंड अलॉन्ग विद दैट, हमारा जो, जैसे मैं अभी आपको बी द चेंज के साथ में कोरिलेट कर रही हूँ, जैसे रूबी जी ने बोला कि पहले मैं घर से करती हूँ तो फिर हम करते हैं, और हमारा स्लोगन ही यही है, सेल्फ रिफॉर्म टू सोशल रिफॉर्म. अगर हम अपने आप को चेंज करते हैं, वही चीज है कि अगर हम अपने आप में अच्छाई को जो है उसको आगे लेके जाना चाहते हैं, आपने बाहर भी लोगों को वो चीज को करवा दिया, आपने रघुपति राघव भी सुना दिया,
सोचिए विदेश में,
राइट ना. सो इफ रूबी कैन चेंज, why can't other can change?
बिल्कुल, एब्सोल्यूट मैम. शुरुआत एक से होती है.
बुराई कहीं पे भी नहीं है, ना फॉरेन में बुराई है, ना इंडिया में बुराई है,
कहीं नहीं है मैम.
बुराई को हमें खत्म करना है. Yes,
बिल्कुल
बुराई.
अच्छा देखिए एक चीज और यहाँ से देखो, बातों से कितनी चीजें निकल के आती है, डायलॉग से। कोई भी इंसान बुरा नहीं होता है, कोई देश बुरा नहीं होता है, हर देश अच्छा है, हर व्यक्ति अच्छा है।
बिल्कुल.
बुराई हमारी सोच है। तो वो
Exactly.
सोच को अगर हम क्लीन कर दे, डीएनडी लगा दे नेगेटिव चीजों के लिए, दिमाग में फिल्टर लगा दे, क्यों रूबी जी, तो
जी.
ऑटोमेटिकली अच्छी चीज जाएगी। और एक चीज और रूबी जी ने बहुत क्लियरली अपने व्यूअर्स को बता दिया है कि वुमेन इज द क्रिएटर ऑफ हर ओन फेट।
बिल्कुल.
वो खुद ही अपने फेट की इंचार्ज है, राइट? नो
Very
वन कैन
true.
चेंज हर फेट। इफ शी वांट टू चेंज ये, तो शी कैन डू दैट, राइट?
Very
दूसरी
true.
चीज, woman has to become, हमें ये कहना चाहिए, as she has to become heroine. Heroine से मतलब फिल्म एक्ट्रेस नहीं है मेरा, heroine
Yeah,
माने I
true.
am taking it as a super, right?
True,
Supreme
true.
authority. So women need to become heroine, not the victim. So
We
it
can say
all
role
depends
model.
on that.
We
Yes,
can say
and
role
women,
model also.
and
True.
women is the reservoir of power. अगर हम बात करें reservoir of the power, patience, silence, आप जितनी भी अच्छी चीजें बोले, and even she has the power to turn pain to the blazing smile.
True,
She
true.
has
Very
the
true.
power. Immediately she can bring the positive vibration in the family. तो इसीलिए हम बार बार वुमेन के लिए बोलते हैं that women can impact the world, women can influence the world. रूबी जी, हम आपसे एक चीज और, क्योंकि इतना बढ़िया कॉन्वर्सेशन है, of course we do not want to end the program, but yes, we do have our own limitation also. और मैं I'm continuously keeping my eye on my timing also. So अब जाने का क्योंकि वक्त आ गया है, तो आपसे वाओ टॉक के लिए रूबी बख्शी खुर्दी, what she want to say and give her message to Wow Talk, Wow India. Ruby.
My message to War Talk India is that keep wowing the nation wherever you are, and taking with what she said. जैसे मैं अपना एग्जांपल अगर दूं, आप मुझे इंडिया से बाहर ले गए, बट मेरे दिल से इंडिया को बाहर नहीं ले जा पाए.
मैंने बोला ना, हिंदुस्तान को जिंदा रखा है आपने.
तो यहाँ पर भी doesn't matter where you stay, whichever culture you follow, you make sure that you believe in that particular culture, you believe in yourself. Especially as a woman, you have to be very strong. Do not play victim. It's important. You may or may not know everything, but at the end of it, don't stop learning. Education के माध्यम से अपने को strong बनाइए. When I say education, it is the education of life. आप कैसे अपने को strong बनाएंगे, आप कैसे अपने को इतना powerful बनाएंगे कि चाहे कोई भी कठिनाई आए, चाहे कोई भी problem आए, never give up. Because if you give up, then nothing is gonna change. आपने हथियार डाल दिए, हथियार नहीं डालने हैं. आपको जो भी कठिनाई हो, जो भी प्रॉब्लम हो, डट के उसका मुकाबला करना है और हमेशा भगवान में बिलीव करना है. जो इंसान अपने माँ बाप को रिस्पेक्ट देता है, अपने बच्चों को रिस्पेक्ट देता है, अपने हस्बैंड को या अपनी वाइफ को रिस्पेक्ट देता है, आई डोंट थिंक उसका कभी भी बुरा हो सकता है. He will definitely, he or she might face problems, that's normal, but always respect your parents because they are God. If you respect your parents, if you are always making sure that they are okay, they are safe, your children are watching, because जो बच्चे हैं वो आपका रिफ्लेक्शन है, right? So जैसा आप करोगे, आप अच्छा करोगे, बच्चे अच्छा करेंगे. आप बुरा करोगे, बच्चे वो भी सीखेंगे, वो भी वैसा ही करेंगे.
They are keen observer.
Exactly. They are keen observers and they are your mirror image. So whether they do it now or they do it 10 years from now, they are just watching you all the time. So my appeal to everyone is, doesn't matter where you live, which part of the world you live, whether we are facing this corona time, we are facing this pandemic, कुछ लोग depression की तरफ जा रहे हैं, कुछ लोग are getting really very sad, or some people are having burnout. Our people who are working on the forefront, like doctors, nurses, जो are all the time with the patients, they are moving towards burnout. So we have to be very careful towards our mental health. Just as we pay attention on physical health, everyone needs to pay attention towards mental health. Please make sure, आपको चाहे जितना भी टेक्नोलॉजी पे काम क्यों ना हो, जितना स्क्रीन टाइम क्यों ना हो, make sure that you're taking breaks. You're connecting with the people who matter you. If you have to say I love you to somebody, to your parents or to your children or anybody, don't leave it for tomorrow. Do it now. And give sufficient time to the people who need it. Give sufficient time to your immediate ones, because अगर अभी आप नहीं करोगे, अभी आप कनेक्ट नहीं करोगे, आगे चल के बहुत देर हो सकती है.
अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं,
अभी
रूबी
नहीं,
जी.
exactly,
अभी नहीं
exactly.
तो कभी नहीं. It is
Exactly.
today and even now that we have
Exactly.
to do it.
Very true. And as women, be strong. Keep on educating yourself and be very strong. Never think that you can't do it. क्योंकि अगर आपने ऐसा सोच लिया, तब कोई नहीं आपको बदल सकता है. आपको अपनी सोच के साथ compete करना है. Don't compete with anyone else. Compete with yourself. I have to be a better version of myself. And
True.
if you keep doing, you will definitely be a better version. आपको कोई नहीं रोक सकता है.
True.
Very
And
true,
I
very
think
true,
emotional diet से भी connected है ये कि that
True.
we have to take emotional diet. That is very
Exactly,
important.
exactly.
What we are reading, what we are writing, what we are speaking, what we are listening. So emotional diet is very important for the emotional health. So viewers, it was the inaugural session of Wow Talk, Wow India. And today you viewed Ruby Bakshi Khurdi ji, who is in Switzerland. And how was the journey? It was a beautiful journey. And yes, we cannot say that there was no struggle with Ruby ji. Yes, she faced that reservation also, a lot of things also in her life. But now you can just see her that how confident she is. She is not overnight becoming confident. It is that how she nurtured and brought up by parents in India. So all depends upon the parenting. So I just want all parents who are viewing our program that please nurturing upbringing very important, emotional diet very important, and so that bacha they do have a feeling that my parents are God to me. They are God to me, not next to God, they are God to me. If children they do have this kind of feeling, are all girls are about to become like Ruby Bakshi Khurdi. We just want that. So जाने का वक्त आ गया है viewers. हम आप लोगों से विदा लेते हैं. कल फिर हाजिर होंगे. Wow Talk, Wow India. Timing 6 to 7. See you then. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you so much. Namaskar.
Thank you, Ruby ji.
Namaskar.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank you so
much.
much.
Thank you.
Namaskar.